Everyone, this is Ariana from MDM e-commerce store. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be demonstrating this beautiful Necchi 537L, and I just want to, as per usual, want to make a quick video to show our patrons that this machine is in perfect working condition. I want to just do one basic stitch and maybe one zigzag stitch. I've already set it up and it's all ready to go with the zigzag stitch. So just bear with me here as I turn this fabric around, and here we go. Now I'm going to switch it over to just a straight stitch. And let me just turn again so that we can get a clean view here. Not the most straight line, but you get the point. This really makes beautiful, beautiful stitches. And as I said before, it has been fully serviced. It comes with the bed here. There's actually a nice storage space right here, which can be seen in our listing. The machine comes with a whole case of bobbins, and everything is really in tip-top shape. So if you have any questions on this machine, feel free to comment below, take a look at our listing, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.